Struggling with blank cells disrupting your Excel workflow? In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and powerful way to fill all blank cells using text, numbers, or formulas. And you'll learn it in just a few steps. Okay, let's get started. Here's a simple worksheet with employee data. We have columns for hours worked and hourly rate. But as you can see, some cells are blank, and that can lead to errors or incomplete reports. Let's fix that step by step. First, highlight the data. In our case, that's hours worked and hourly rate. Press Ctrl+G or F5 to open the Go to box. Click on Special. Then choose Blanks. And hit OK. All the empty cells are now selected. Now here comes the magic. Without clicking anywhere else, simply type what you want to fill in. Want to mark all blanks as missing? Just type missing. Then press Ctrl+ Enter. And Excel will fill every selected blank cell instantly. Need to fill blank hourly rates with a default value, like $20? Simply follow the same steps to select the blank cells. Now type 20. And press Ctrl+ Enter. Just like that, every blank cell is filled instantly. It's quick, efficient, and far better than entering values one by one. Next, let's format the values as currency. Simply select the cells. Right-click and choose Format Cells. Under the Number tab, select Currency. Pick your preferred symbol, like the $sign, and click OK. Your data is now clean, consistent, and professionally formatted. And that's it. If this helped you clean up your data faster, give it a like, drop your questions or tips in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching.